they are communicating this particular campaign is very interesting. I think it's very funny. I think it's very relatable. They're talking about traditional Indian values and how when we watch TV they all disappear. So it's a very funny and young and cool way of showing how obsessed this country is with watching TV, where people disturbing us or people interrupting us in any other sphere of life would not affect us, but if you're watching TV then nobody can mess with us.
Shooting with Parinidhi was absolutely delightful because she was very enthusiastic about the scripts. When I met her and I narrated the films to her, she already had an idea about the film. She'd read the scripts and she was very, very excited about the films per se. She's an absolute natural. She's a delightfully she's a very spontaneous and natural actress and almost very effortless.
Actually, what we are referring to is an Indian value, but it is not a conventional Indian value. It is a quirky Indian value.
So we crafted these spaces of Indian values, which is you are okay to be interrupted as an Indian person, but while watching TV we falter, and if someone wants to interrupt us we lose our temper, we get irritated. So therefore the big idea of if you have Videocon D2H, Indian values will still be intact.
I chose to be with Videocon. I think it was a two-way street. They offered me to be a part of their family, and there was no chance I could say no, because it's such a reputed, such an honorable brand to be a part of as an actor. The number one D2H service in the country. I didn't have to consider reasons why I wanted to be a part of them. I just wanted to be because I want to be part of the best, and Videocon D2H is the best. हमारे Indian values क्या बात है?
पैर लो।
कोई हमें इंटरप्ट करे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
वैकुंठ हॉल फर्स्ट राइट लीजिए और
नहीं आप यू टर्न लीजिए। पापा
एक मिनट।
पर टीवी देखते वक्त क्या हो जाता है इंडियन वैल्यूज को? अब नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वीडियोकॉन D2H में है अनलिमिटेड रिकॉर्डिंग। टीवी को पॉज करो, प्रेम से इंटरप्ट हो जाओ और सिर्फ ₹1 में इंडियन वैल्यूज को मेंटेन रखो। वीडियोकॉन D2H फॉर इंडियन वैल्यूज।
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.